Hi guys, welcome to our Economica Job Preparation channel. আজি আমি last 6 monthৰ most important current affairs লৈ আহিছোঁ। আজি আমি PIB আৰু GovT স্কিমৰ বাবে most important MCQs ডিছকাশ্যন কৰিম। যদি আমাৰ চেনেলটোত নতুনকৈ আহিছা দেন চেনেলটো লাইক, শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। সো বলক আজিৰ কুৱেশ্যনছবোৰ আমি ডিছকাশ্যন কৰোঁ। সো আজি আমি 53 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটোৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ। ইয়াৰ আগৰ প্ৰিভিয়াছ কুৱেশ্যনছবোৰৰ বাবে আপোনালোকে আগৰ ভিডিঅ'টো চাব লাগিব আৰু যদি আজি কোনোবা নতুনকৈ আহিছা দেন আগৰ ভিডিঅ'ৰ লিংক আমাৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ৰ ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যনটোত দিয়া থাকিব। সো বলক কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 53। Which of the following organization has sing and move with Digital India Bashini division to collaborate on the employment and deployment of multiple article intelligence solutions across K railway platform? Option A, IRCTC. Option B, Indian Railway Finance Corruptions. Option C, Railtel. Option D, Centre for Railway Information System. Option E, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. ইয়াৰ ৰাইট আনসাৰটো হৈছে অপশ্যন ডি, চেণ্টাৰ ফৰ ৰেলৱে ইনফৰমেশ্যন চিষ্টেম। Now, question number 54. Name the portal launched by Government of India during 3rd UN Ocean Conference to promote transparent science-based ocean management. Option A, BAHAF. Option B, SAHAF. Option C, KAHAF. Option D, HAMAF. Option E, TUHAF. Right answer to hoise option B, SAHAF. Now question number 55. According to Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, how many kilometers of highways are being constructed per day in 2025 as compared to 11.6 kilometer day in 2014? Option A, 24 kilometer day. Option B, 37 kilometer day. Option C, 36 kilometer day. Option D, 44 kilometer day. Option E, 34 kilometer day. Right answer is option E, 34 kilometer. Now question number 56. How much percent of interest the insurance companies have to pay in case of delay in insurance claims payment under PM Fasal Bima Yojana? Option A, 10%. Option B, 11%. Option C, 12%. Option D, 9%. Option E, 8%. Right answer is option C, 12%. Now question number 57. With which country Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways has signed and moved for the establishment of Center of Excellence in Green Shipping, which intend to improve the quality and efficiency of maritime activities while promoting the green transition of the maritime sector in India? Option A, Norway. Option B, Denmark. Option C, Switzerland. Option D, Belgium. Option E, Canada. Right answer is option B, Denmark. Now question number 58. A new award category title, Grassroots Level Initiative for Deepening Service Delivery at Gram Panchayat or equivalent traditional local bodies has been introduced to honor exemplary digital initiatives by Panchayat under National E-Governance Award 2025. Rohini Gram Panchayat is the only Panchayat which has been awarded the Gold Award, to which state Rohini Panchayat belongs. Option A Tripura, option B Gujarat, option C Maharashtra, option D Odisha, option E Karnataka. Right answer to hoise option C Maharashtra. Now question number 59. Ministry of Ayush has launched Ayush Nivas Sarthi portal to bring together policy, framework, incentive structure, investment ready project and real time facilitation under one unified interface. It has been developed by Ministry of Ayush in collaboration with option A Invest India, option B CDSC, option C DPIIT, option D IFCI, option E State Bank of India. Right answer to hoise option A Invest India. Now question number 60. India assumed the presidency of International Institute of Administrative Science for the period of 2025 to 28. The institute is a federation of 31 member countries, 20 national sections and 15 academic research centres jointly collaborating for scientific research on public administration. Where are the headquarters of IIAS? Option A London, option B Geneva, option C New York, option D Southampton, option E Brussels. Here right answer to hoise option E Brussels. Now question number 61. Two wetlands, Bhij, Kishan and Minar have been added to the list of Ramsar sites, taking the total Ramsar site in India to 91, highest in Asia. In which state Kishan and Minar location? Kishan and Minar located. Option A Uttar Pradesh, option B Rajasthan, option C Maharashtra, option D Gujarat, option E Punjab. Yeah, right answer to hoise option B Rajasthan. Question number 62. Which state has organized the Amrut Maha Awas Abhiyan Award ceremony, recognizing exemplary contribution to the PMAI rural scheme across the state? Option A Gujarat, option B Maharashtra, option C Kerala, option D Madhya Pradesh, option E Uttar Pradesh. Your answer to hoise option B Maharashtra. Question number 63. Ministry of Local has launched Sea Craze version 2.0, a web portal of coal mines provident fund organization CMPFO to streamline the PF pension disbursement by bringing the coal workers, coal management and CMPFO onto a development of advanced computing in collaborations with option A State Bank of India, National Pension System Trust, option B National Pension System Trust, option C PFRDA, option D RBI, option E Bank of Maharashtra. Yeah, right answer to hoise option A State Bank of India. Question number 64. In which Northeast state the Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs will establish its first ever regional campus? Option A Tripura, option B Meghalaya, option C Manipur, option D Mizoram, option E Sikkim. ইয়াৰ ৰাইট আনচাৰটো হৈছে অপশ্যন বি মেঘালয়া। Question number 65. Which of the following organization in collaboration with the Research and Information System for Developing Countries RIS has launched a Center of Excellence for South Corporations in Agriculture? Option A, Indian Chamber of Food and Agriculture. Option B, Indian Associations for Food and Agriculture Technology Development. Option C, All Indian Farmers Alliance. Option D, All Indian Food Process Association. Option E, International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Topic ICRISAT. ইয়াৰ ৰাইট আনচাৰটো হৈছে অপশ্যন ই। Question number 66. The first installment for the construction of 1271 Atal Gram Susna Bhavans worth over 480 crore has been released by the government. What is the objective of Atal Gram Susans Bhavans? Option A, to provide permanent infrastructure to Gram Panchayat. Option B, to promote organic farming practice in rural areas. Option C, to establish rural skill development and training center. Option D, to create strong facilities for agriculture's produce in village. Option E, to develop digital libraries and e-learning centers in village. ইয়াৰ ৰাইট আনচাৰটো হৈছে অপশ্যন এ। Question number 67. Under which national campaign the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport in collaboration with the Department of Pharmaceuticals has launched the Jan Aushadhi Kendra Experiential Learning Program for Youth for 15 days? Option A, सेवा से समृद्धि. Option B, सेवा से मेवा. Option C, सेवा से सीखें. Option D, सेवा से ही होगा. Option E, सेवा से समर्पण. ইয়াৰ ৰাইট আনচাৰটো হৈছে অপশ্যন চি। Question number 68. Consider the following statement with respect to the report on enhancing MSMEs competitiveness in India launched by NITI Aayog and identify the incorrect statement. Number 1. The report has been prepared by NITI Aayog in collaboration with National Council of Applied Economic Research. Number 2. The shares of micro and small enterprise accessing credit through scheduled bank rose from 14% to 20% between 2020 and 2024. Number 3. Only 29% of MSME credit demand was met firmly by FY21, leaving an estimate 80 lakh crore unmet. Number 4. The report is focused on 4 sectors, namely textile, manufacturing and apparel, chemical product, automotive and OD processing. এই কুৱেশ্যনটোৰ ৰাইট আনচাৰ অৰ্থাৎ ইনকাৰেক্ট ষ্টেটমেণ্টটো হৈছে অপশ্যন ডি, অনলি 1 and 3. Now question number 69. According to the report on service Trade for FY 2024 to 25 released by RBI, how much percentage growth has been exhibited in the total export in FY 2024 to 2025 as compared to FY 2023 to 24? Option A 13.6%, option B 5.9%, option C 6.01%, option D 6.10%, option E 4.01%. ইয়াৰ right answer to হৈছে option C 6.01%. Now last questions আজিৰ video to question number 70. During the event again with dignity initiative for the welfare of senior citizens organized by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, 5 new senior citizen homes have been inaugurated in 5 states. Which among the following is not one of the 5 states? Option A Sikkim, option B Arunachal Pradesh, option C Tamil Nadu, option D Andhra Pradesh, option E Uttarakhand. Here right answer to hoise option A Sikkim. Thank you so much for watching my video. বাকি কুৱেশ্যনছবোৰৰ বাবে আমাৰ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব, লাইক কৰিব আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু বাকি কুৱেশ্যনছবোৰ আমি নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত দি আছোঁ। থেংক ইউ।